One thing I completely hate about winter is that I need to clean my car every morning.
2 hours later.
Good morning, this is Umair Hamid and I have a new vlog today, but this is about cars. So if you're not interested in cars, don't watch my vlog. So yeah, you can watch the other vlogs but not this one, because today I'm going to tell you a story about it. So the story is like every boy have a dream of a dream car or something, but I was a little bit like more toward it. Like since I was a kid, I just like cars, and my mom was like keep on telling me those stories when I was like sticking on some car and that I really want to have, and I keep like tease her and annoy her to buy me that one. So I was that kind of a kid in my childhood. So what I'm going to do today is, like, one of my friend got a car which I'm going to show you later, the car that I really want. So I really like that car, so I'm going to go there, meet my friend and check out that car. And that's a really cool car, I know that, but I will keep the element of surprise and I'm going to show you that car. So I just arrived at the place that we have decided to meet, and as usual I'm a little bit early and I'm waiting for my friend. So I hope he will be on time. Yeah, because for external mic, like it's good if I have external mic. Okay. So guys, here I am with my friend Sebastian, and he's gonna take us on a ride, a little tour, and we're gonna film it. I don't know if it's too much for me or not. Oh my god, so much sun. So I'm gonna catch you up in a little while, okay?
It starts with
the video shoot and everything has been done. The car was amazing. We had so much fun, and my friend is back home now. He went to home, and I'm also going home because the sun is going down and it's beautiful, isn't it? So I hope you enjoy my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe and like me or follow me on Instagram for further more stories. Until then, Umair Hamid signing off. Ciao.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end